So we know the trachea divides into bronchus, and this bronchus divides into bronchioles, alveoli, respiratory bronchioles, terminal bronchioles, then alveoli, right? So we know the division. So in case of the trachea, the breath sound will always be bronchial. But in case of this alveoli, then terminal bronchioles, the sound will always be vesicular. And when this vesicular sound is changed to bronchial and we hear bronchial sounds in this part of the lungs, it is mostly due to cavitation, consolidation, fibrosis, and collapse.